Okay guys, we are going to do this. You will see the theory written down, but this is the practical video of how you will buy by yourself from PoolCoin, because I recommend PoolCoin instead of PancakeSwap, because PoolCoin is the fastest, and you don't have to set your slippage. It has what we call automatic slippage. So right about now, for you to buy token, make sure that you have copied the contract address of that project. You can copy contract address from anywhere. You can copy from PoolCoin, you can copy from CMC, that's CoinMarketCap, you can copy from WhatsApp in case somebody is sending you from WhatsApp. The same way you copy every other thing, that is the same way you will copy from WhatsApp. But most people don't know how to download their Trust Wallet. All you need to do is to go to Google Play Store. As you can see, I am in Trust Wallet already, and you can see I have $10 Smart Chain BNB here. So guys, I want you, if you want to buy your token, if you want to buy, make sure you download Trust Wallet. After downloading Trust Wallet, you create your account. If you create your account, you will see I already have account or create account. Make sure that you create account if you don't have. But if you have, all you need to do is to import the one you already have by clicking on I already have account. So in this video, let's assume that you don't have account. All you need to do is to create account. Create your account, write down your 12 secret phrase and keep it safe, because that is yours. You don't have to share it with third party. You don't have to share it with anybody, because if you share it with anybody, if they have your secret group, it means that they can withdraw your money. They can take over your wallet and manipulate your money. So that is it. So after creating your wallet, there is a project you want to buy. In this case, we are going to use africashtoken as a case study, as an example. We are going to use it for this practical. So all you need to do is copy your wallet, your contract address. You can copy your contract address, like I said before, from WhatsApp in case somebody is sending for you. You can copy from your PoolCoin, you can copy from CMC, you can copy from the website africashtoken.com, and you can copy any other contract address, just same way. But here we are going to use africashtoken. Now let's assume you have copied the contract address. You come to your Trust Wallet. This place now is Trust Wallet. Yes. Now you have to go to dApps. You click on dApps. Once you click on dApps, you will type PoolCoin.app. You will type PoolCoin.app. Then after typing, you search for it. After typing, you search. Then all you need to do is look up. You will see Ethereum network. Remember, we are not using Ethereum network here. We are using BAC Smart Chain. BAC Smart Chain network. That is what we are using. So how do you connect your wallet? If you look at this interface very well, you will see connect wallet. So all you need to do is to look at this Ethereum network that is on top. Look at the symbol here, then you click on it. If you click on it, it will take you to another page where you see Smart Chain and other networks. Click on Smart Chain because we are using Smart Chain. Smart Chain is the first one. You click on Smart Chain. Hold on for a bit. Smart Chain will pop up and tell you to connect. You will now connect your wallet. Now as you connect your wallet, to prove that your wallet have connected, you will no longer see connect wallet again. The network on top have changed from Ethereum to BAC Smart Chain. You will see the Binance logo on top is yellow with touch of black. Now you are in this place. Now what will you do? Now look at this interface very well, from up to down. Study it. You will see PoolCoin chart, you will see trade, you will see multi-chart, you will see about, you will see tools, you will see premiums. Now if you want to trade your crypto, all you need to do is click on trade. We now click on trade. As you click on trade, another phase will open. This phase that open now, you will see select currency. You will see balance, BNB balance. You will see from BNB, you will see automatic slippage. Now let me explain this scenario. Automatic slippage simply means you don't have to bother yourself about slippage, because the slippage here is automatic. You don't have to touch anything. Now BNB balance is what you currently have in your wallet. Now I say select currency is the contract address you have copied. That is the currency you want to buy or trade on. From BNB is if you are buying from BNB, the amount you are going to buy. Now let us go to select currency, because we are going to buy the currency we are going to select. Now you have to click on select currency. If you click on select currency, you will see select a token or enter token name or address. That is contract address. Now the contract address you just copied, that is what you are going to paste here. You just touch it, you will see paste, you paste, the contract address will come out. You hold for a minute, it will pop up the name of the token. As you can see here, you will see africashtoken 2.0. All you need to do is to touch on that africashtoken 2.0. Come back to your balance that is under. You will now see the quantity and the amount of you will now see the currency. Now africashtoken is now a currency. You can see it under, it's africash 2. Now you want to buy africashtoken. Remember this arrow that is white is facing down. It's not green, it's white. That is you are buying. We'll still talk about it when you want to sell. Now you want to buy. Now look at from BNB at your left side, opposite BNB balance. All you need to do is, how much are you buying? Do you want to buy $2.something or $3? Do you want to buy $4? Do you want to buy $10? Do you want to buy $20? All you need to do is to come here and type 0 and type 0.01. This 0.01 is, let's assume you want to buy from $3. Then if it's 0.02, you want to buy like $6, you know. If it's 0.03, you want to buy like $9, just like that, up. But in this case, we are going to try 0.01 as what we are using for practical, 0.01. If you type 0.01, the quantity of Africash token you want to buy will now come down. You look at it to Africash, from BNB to Africash. You are swapping 0.0 BNB to Africash to get 484 million Africash token for 0.01. Now look down, you will see swap wrap BNB to Africash token. Look at it. So all you need to do is you have to swap. Click on swap. If you click on swap, you hold on a bit for your smart contract call to execute. Now look at it here. Your network fee is 0.51 cents. This is why I like Africash token, because it doesn't cost you so much in terms of transaction fee. It's costing you 0.51, which is 51 cents. Now the 0.01 BNB is $3, as you can see here. Currently 0.01 BNB is $3. Now mass total is $3.51. So all you need to do is to approve. Click on approve. As you click on approve, you know the secret that you use in entering your Trust wallet. You know the secret you use in entering your Trust wallet. As you click on approve, you know the secret of entering your Trust wallet. If you know the password, as you enter the password, it will open. As it opens, then the smart contract will execute. The smart contract will execute. You hold on, it has executed. Now look at it. Now you have bought Africash token. That is what it means. Look at it very well. Remember, what you had here before was 26 million. Now you have 457 million you have bought. Now we are going to show you something. You have to go back to click on pull coin charts. Now enter token name in this place, then so that you see what you just bought now. You just see what you bought. You just bought $3.51. You know what they quote you is 51 cents, and you just bought the one of $3. As you can see in this place, this is your money that you just bought now. Now all you need to do is go down, see the charts, then see the total amount you just bought. This is the total amount you just bought, although there is a distribution. And remember, you have you had 26 million before, so this is just what you just bought now. Now you have to click on info to check the market capitalization of the project you bought. To check in this place, from this place too, you can still copy contract address. You can check the transactions that is going on in the ecosystem. You can check the number of orders. You can check the contract address. You can check, then you still go back to info. Now that is for buying. Now we have to sell, because this is the most important. Any token you buy and you cannot sell, that is not a good project. Now we are going to sell. Yes, we are going to sell now. So how do you sell? This is time for you to sell what you just bought. So just follow this due process the same way you did when you wanted to buy. The only difference here is that you have to click on this arrow. Once you click this arrow turns to blue. It means that you're about to sell. So all you need to do, you don't have to sell all, because if you click here on mass, that is the art of selling all. But for the course of this video, we are going to sell 440 million. That is why Africash token is good, because you cannot just come and sell and do mass. So that is why we are telling you guys about anti-wall and anti-boot mechanism that the project have. So you have to type, what we have here is 457 million. So you have to type 440 million to sell, so that it will allow you to sell. We have 440 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look at it. That is it. Now all you need to do is to swap. Remember, you have to swap. That is selling. Hold on a bit and execute your smart contract call. They are cutting you 53 cents for you to sell. That is why I talk about this Africash token. It's just like Shiba Inu. It's an amazing token. Look at what they are cutting you. While other projects are cutting you $1, $2, Africash token is cutting you 53 cents. All you need to do is to approve it. You know, the secret you use to lock your wallet, you put it, immediately you approve. Once you approve, it will load, and for a minute you will find out that you have sold. Okay, you have just sold. Look at it. What you have here now is 17 million. Remember, before you had 457 million. Now what you have here is 17 million. That is what you currently have. It's a good one. So you have just successfully bought. Yes, you have just successfully bought Africash token, and you have just successfully sell Africash token. As I speak to you now, you successfully bought and you successfully sell. Look at what happened here. This is exactly what happened. You bought $3, you sell 2.51 cents. Remember, you sell 440. Now there is a redistribution. in both your buying and in both your selling. The redistribution just take place, so every member should receive. That is what we call reward, passive income. Everybody holding Africash token just received now, and this is why you have to hold your token for a long time before you do what? Before you sell, so that you make enormous profit. So guys, this is it. You just come here and paste your contract address to see what you just sold. Go to liquidity and you see that it's no longer the same. So right about now, we are going back to Trust Wallet for you to add your contract address to receive your custom, to receive your token. You go to click that 2 arrow, look at search for tokens, paste that contract address. If you paste the contract address, then you will see add custom token. Click on add custom token. Look at this Ethereum, change it to smart chain, because what we are using here is smart chain network. Then you paste, yes, your contract address will appear, the name, symbol and decimal, everything will appear automatic. Then after which you click on done, you will just see the token, your token appear in your Trust Wallet. What you sold will appear, what you swap, everything is being recorded. So guys, this is exactly how you can buy, how you can sell. Once we get listed on CMC, you will see the price appear here. So I want to say congratulations to each and every one of you. This is the best and easy way to buy token on PoolCoin. So apart from Africash token, you can virtually buy every other token that is in BAC Smart Chain. Follow this process. So thank you everyone.